Ever get excited about a new mod for your bike? It's finally time to install it, and then you realize you don't have a clue on where it will go. You take a good look at the components and think, where am I going to put all this? You take another look at the bike. Maybe I'll mount the front camera under the light. Nope, not a good clean spot out of potential hazards. How about the dash? Yeah, I think I'll mount it right there. I want the rear camera hidden and inconspicuous. Maybe I can put it under the subframe. But there isn't a flat spot and this area is always covered in dirt. Plus it gets a lot of spray from the rear tire. Probably not the best location for a camera. For the dash I used a small rig clamp. Probably one of the best clamps I've found to use. I'll post a link in the description. Alright, now it's time to mount the rear camera. I did have to put a slight bend in this bracket so it would fit the curve of the bike. Mounting the cameras are easy, it's just a simple screw. And using the cables are easy to connect as well. They have arrows to line up so you fit them correctly. Now it's just time to get this cable ran to the front where we can connect everything up and make it work. Let's get these panels off and this tank up so I can get these cables ran and finish this project. The GPS module I mounted in a line of sight to the sky. The SD card direction is shown onto the front camera and getting it mounted correctly. So here we are, everything connected and working. Everything's put in place, tidied up. Have a remote on the tank for easy access. Dash is on and displaying. Cameras are all on. One thing to keep in mind is that the cameras will have to be located for direction. Dash works perfectly. Can't wait to try it on the street.